If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever I post a new video, and give your comment in the comment section. I am going to tell you the simple home remedy which is very powerful who are suffering with the thyroid. Mostly people, because of the thyroid, there is a hormonal imbalance, and you are getting a lot of fat. Some people are fit. Your hormones are not properly functioning. Because of that, the total system is disturbed. Some people have become so bulky and fat, looks very ugly. But here is a simple remedy. Some people get also, they don't get sleep in the night, insomnia, because of the thyroid. Some people are taking many medicines, but they are not cured. Apart from your medicines, just you try this home remedy. Coconut is one of the best ingredients to take. 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon of the coconut oil and add half or even more also you can add. And a little bit, a pinch of salt you add in this. If you feel like putting a more this thing, you can add more honey also. After that, you mix up very well. And just before you go to bed, just swallow this liquid and you get very good sleep, get a BB sleep, and thyroid will be controlled shortly. Thank you for watching this video. Take this home remedy and enjoy and get rid of your thyroid problem. And please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you very much.